Okay, so this is my Revo 3.3, and I need help. I just changed the glow plug because I was trying to start it, and the green light for the glow plug was going on. So I was thinking changing my glow plug. So now when I turn it on, my wire quit working, so I put this in. Alright, I do this, and nothing happens. I'm really confused. If somebody could give me any help, thanks. But yeah, it's not wanting to turn over at all. My battery is, it's fully charged for the glow igniter and for the, easy starter pack thing. But yeah, it's really weird, and I never had this problem before. If you can help me, thanks.